Welcome from Good to Excellence and some more magic from our Vocabulary Magic series. The confusion continues with this extremely interesting and challenging language, English. To bring and then take away confusion, we have two words today, and they are illicit, ILLICIT, and illicit, ELICIT. Hi, I'm Archanakalele from Good to Excellence. We are your online partner to learn IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, CELPIP and English communication skills. Call on the displayed number for your learning needs. And yes, if you like this video and find it useful, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to our channel. Let's start. Illicit, illicit. Both sound similar and are not unlike in spelling, but they have different meanings. And we may confuse one with the other because they are so close in spelling. If you look at it again, see ILLICIT and ELICIT. In this video, we will see what they mean, their grammar, and how to use them in sentences. So our first word is ILLICIT, illicit. Illicit is an adjective. What that describes? It describes something that is illegal, unlawful, immoral. The dictionary meaning of illicit is not allowed by law. We will see it in examples. The gang was secretly brewing illicit liquor. Or he made a lot of money selling illicit drugs, illegal drugs. Illicit trade is a big part of organized crime. Smuggling can be the example. Illicit may also mean immoral or not permitted, not accepted culturally or socially. Very commonly, this word is associated with relationships not accepted in society and considered immoral, like relationships outside of marriage with a co-worker. Many companies, ban personal relationships between co-workers. These are a couple of examples of relationships that are not permitted by society and sometimes by law and are called illicit. He was asked to resign when his illicit relationship became public. Somesh had an illicit relationship with Priya. So this was about ILLICIT. Now look at the other word, that is ELICIT. To elicit is to get something out of someone. We may define illicit as to draw out or to evoke. Completely different meaning, right? We elicit a response, information, an answer, the truth, a reaction, sympathy. Now we will check these meanings in example sentences. Could you elicit an answer from your son? The police are trying to elicit some information about the incident last night. Elicit some information. The reporters are questioning the family to elicit information about the case. To elicit information about the case. Questioning the family. Her moving performance elicited tears from the audience. Performance elicited tears. His speech elicited a positive response from 80% of the audience. Speech elicited a positive response. The girl's plight elicited the sympathy of all who heard her story. Elicited the sympathy. So that's how we use elicit in example. The verb elicit means drawing out a response, usually with some effort. The verb forms are to elicit, elicited, eliciting. This is all about these two words. Now let's look at a summary of what we just learned. Illicit, E-L-I-C-I-T and I-L-L-I-C-I-T may be confusing simply because they sound similar and are spelled similarly. Illicit, I-L-L-I-C-I-T is an adjective and that means illegal or immoral. Secret, prohibited activity both by law and society is called illicit. Illicit trade, illicit relationships, illicit gains are some examples of illicit actions. Poaching, the sale of liquor and cigarettes not permitted by law. Relationships conducted secretly because society will not permit them are all illicit in nature. A couple of example sentences. He has made huge profit out of illicit trade. Michael is making a mistake indulging in an illicit affair with Susan. Now to elicit. E-L-I-C-I-T means to draw out, extract or evoke. It is used with getting a response or reaction. We use elicit with information, fact, response, sympathy. Elicit is getting a response with a certain amount of effort rather than a simple question or answer. Examples of elicit in sentence are: her wit elicited a lot of laughter at the show last night. Mary's story will elicit sympathy from even the most hard-hearted person. Now, how do we remember which is which? So, just remember, this is a trick, this is a tip I am giving you. I-L-L-I-C-I-T, illicit, that means illegal, and that also has L-L in it, right? I-L-L-E-G-A-L, illegal. The other one is E-L-I-C-I-T, has E. And what is the meaning of it? Extract or evoke, and both have E in it. Now it's a quiz time. So pause your video and here is a short story about Nat and Harry, filling the blanks with illicit, elicit or verb forms of illicit. I hope that was interesting and you found that easy. That's all about illicit and elicit in today's lesson. See you soon in our next video and thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to our channel. To know what's next is coming up, press the bell icon. Take care. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.